Hello viewers, this is Roshmi with another episode of Roshmi's. Today I am going to show you zari border tasar along with some silk and tasar stitch sari. Let's start. Sari number 1, zari border tasar. These all are gachi tasar, gachi by gachi tasar. The palla portion, the color of this sari is, you can say, onion pink. This is onion pink, peachish onion pink, sari number 1. Price is 4850, zari border tasar. See, this is the draping view, palla portion, and the blouse piece is, here is the blouse piece. This is blouse piece, sari number 1, price 4850. This is zari border tasar, gachi by gachi tasar. See the view. Gachi by gachi tasar. Sari number 2, same material, zari border, gachi by gachi tasar, aanchal portion. This is the draping view. See, this is the draping view. Multicolored with a block print with polka dot, very small polka dot which looks like Jaipuri print, and with a contrast blouse. Here is the blouse piece, brown color with a contrast blouse piece. Price again 4850. Sari number 2. Sari number 3, it is garnet color, or you can say it is maroon, but it is not actually maroon. It is wine color to some extent. We can say that it is garnet colored. Palla portion. Palla portion. Material is zari border, gachi by gachi tasar. Price 4850. 4850. See. With a traditional print, small buta. See, here is the view. Palla, and this is the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. Viewers, if you want to book the sarees, you can call or WhatsApp 9330866384. Saree number 4 with kalamkari half and half. Just have a look. Palla portion. Half saree will be like this with gun spray. See, this is the front portion with gun spray and the rest half with the kalamkari print. I will show you the kalamkari print. See, this is the kalamkari print. It will be like this. See, here is the view. And the blouse piece, most interesting part of this saree, that the blouse piece of this saree is also with the kalamkari print. See, it will be the saree. Price is 4850. 4850, saree number 3. Saree number 4. Sorry, it is saree number 4. It was saree number 4. Now it is saree number 5. Same pattern with different block print and color combination. Palla portion. This is the palla portion, which is very unusual. This part will be plain, and the rest half with the kalamkari block print, and the blouse piece is also with the kalamkari block. See, this is the part, and the blouse piece is also with the kalamkari print. This is also the price of this saree is also 4850. Saree number 6. The color is red, but as you know, for tasar all the red colors are slightly matte, so it is also of that sort. Palla portion. Here is the body. This is the body. Entire body will be like this. I will show you the dripping view. This is the dripping view. Palla portion. Price is 4850, and here is the blouse piece. Viewers, if you like the program, share with your friends, subscribe, and definitely press the bell icon to get the notification of my next episode. Sari number, I think it is sari number 7. Yes, it is 7. Palla portion, and the body is with the virgin color. With the virgin color of tasar, and here is the border. This is the border, and the entire body. The color is blue, denim blue. The border and the print portion is denim blue. See, here is the view of the sari, palla portion, and the blouse piece of this sari is blue. See, this is the blouse piece. Again, the price is 4850. 4850 is the discounted price. Sari number 8. Sari number 8, same material, gachi by gachi tasar, palla portion. Gachi by gachi tasar, palla portion. See, this is the entire, very sober one. Very sober sari with grey color and black color block print, entire sari with the same block print. Very sober one. Here is the view. Price is 4850. For booking, call or WhatsApp 9330866384. We deliver Pan India through courier. You have to pay through Google Pay or internet banking. COD facilities available only within Kolkata. Here is the blouse piece, grey color. Price is 4850. Next, sari number 9. Sari number 9 is another zari tasar, zari border, gachi by gachi zari border tasar print. Here is the palla portion. It is very heavy quality. Price is 4850. 4850 is the discounted price, and the color of this sari is mauve with the traditional print, buta all over body. See, here is the view. Sari number 9. Price is 4850, and the blouse piece is also of the same color. 4850. Now, sari number 10. Another very unusual print, block print. I will show you. Here is the palla portion. The body color is grey, but see the block. It is very unusual and sober, sophisticated color. Sari number 10. Price is 4850. Palla portion. Here is the body. You can see the body. And the blouse piece is also of the same color. Here is the blouse piece. Sari number 10. Then sari number 11, pesta green color. These all are gachi by gachi tasar, zari border, very heavy quality, thick quality tasar. All are from Raghunathpur. Palla portion. Here is the body, green color, pesta green. The color is pesta green. All over body with the discharge print. See, draping view of the sari, palla, and here is the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. Price 4850. Viewers, for booking, please call or WhatsApp 9330866384. Another zari tasar with the same with the pattern of gun spray, palla portion. See, here is the view of the half body with the gun spray, and the rest half with this kalamkari print along with the blouse piece. See the kalamkari print along with the blouse piece. The half portion will be like this. Price is 4850. The blouse piece is also printed. Price is 4850. Then sari number 12. Sari number 12. Half sari with this gun spray. With this gun spray. And the rest half, I will show you the rest half in this way. Along with the blouse piece, rest half is printed. See, here is the view with blue combination. With blue combination. Price is 4850. 4850. Zari Tasar. Now I will shift to some stitched. Sari number 14. This is sari number 14, Gujarati stitch. Material is Bangalore silk. I will show you the entire sari, otherwise I cannot explain. See, this is from the palla portion. Half sari with this jal work. Half sari with this jal work. The color is magenta. Material is Bangalore silk. And the rest half with the border and buta. Rest half with the border and buta. I will show you the draping view. See. This is sari number 14. Price is 8000. All the silks and tassels are silk mark certified. Viewers, if you like the program, share with your friends, subscribe, and definitely press the bell icon to get the notification of my next episode. Here is the blouse piece. See, this is the draping view. I think you can easily understand why the price of this sari is 8000. See the work, the integrity of the work. Color is magenta. Sari number 14, 8000. Material is Bangalore silk. I will show you another Gujarati stitch. The color design pattern is same. Color is different. Rama green. See, this is Rama green. The color is Rama green. Half sari with the jal work and the rest half with the buta and border. The color is Rama green. Material is Bangalore silk. And the stitch is Gujarati stitch. Price 8000 with silk mark certification. Here is the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. This is the draping view of the sari. This is the draping view of the sari palla portion. Price 8000. For booking, you can call or WhatsApp 93308663884. Now, this is sari number 16. Another unique sari. Material is Tasar. Material is Tasar. I will show you. This is Tasar material. Palla portion with the jal. This is palla portion. See the palla. And the entire body with this buta and border. The price is 8200. See, this is the view of the sari. The color is virgin color Tasar with the Parshi work, and these all are hand stitch. These all are hand stitch. I will show you the back side of the sari so that you can understand. And the price of this sari is 8200. Here is the blouse piece. See the combination and the sari. Price is 8200. Here is the palla. Palla portion. Material is Gachi Tasar. Price 8200. All the silks and tassels are silk mark certified. Another Tasar Parshi, but with different style. I will show you. See, with the different combination and different style. Here is the palla. This is the palla portion. Now I will show you the sari. The price of this sari is 8,500. Material is Gachi by Gachi Tasar. See the combination. See the combination. It is very unique. And throughout the pleats, this work will go. The price is 8,500. See, here is the pleats portion. Price 8,500. The material is Gachi by Gachi Tasar with the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. Price is 8,500. See, here is the view. 8,500. Palla portion. For booking, please call or WhatsApp 93308663884. Viewers, if you like the sarees or the episode, please share with your friends and press the bell icon to get the notification of my next episode. Another Tasar Parsi. This is also of the same pattern, same design with different color combination. With different color combination. See, here is the palla portion. Palla portion, and this is the back side of the sari, so that you can understand these all saris are hand stitched. See, this is the view, and in pleats portion this work will go. See the work. See the volume of work. Entire pleats portion will be with this work. And here is the blouse piece. Viewers, we deliver pan India through courier, and courier charges or shipping charges is absolutely free all over India. See, sari number, this is sari number 18, price is 8,500. See, here is the view. Material is Gachi by Gachi Tasar, and this is hand Parsi stitch. Now, this is Bangalore silk. Kashmiri stitch on Bangalore silk, yellow color Kashmiri stitch. The material is Bangalore silk. See the volume of work and integrity of the work. See a close view. This is the work. Kashmiri stitch, material is Bangalore silk, color is yellow, and the half sari with this jal work. Price is again 8,500. Half sari with this jal work, and the rest half with the border and buta. With the border and buta. See, this will be the view of the sari. Half sari is like this, and the blouse piece is also yellow with the work. Price 8,500. All the silk material is Bangalore silk. All the silks and tassars are silk mark certified. Another color of Kashmiri stitch. This is Rani color. Very bright and vibrant color. Rani color. See, half portion with the jal work. See the half portion. See, here is the view of the sari. Sari number 20, 8,500. See, this is the view of the sari. Kashmiri stitch. This is also hand stitch, hand Kashmiri stitch. Price is 8,500. The color is Rani color, and the material is Bangalore silk. Here is the blouse piece, and I will show you the back portion so that you can understand. This is hand stitch. Here is the back portion of the sari. Last sari of today's episode, another Kashmiri stitch. The color is maroon. The color is maroon. Price is same, 8,500 with a similar pattern. Half sari with the jal work. See, half sari with the jal work. This will cover 2.25 meter. See, this is the half sari. This is the half sari. The color is maroon. Material is Bangalore silk. Stitch is Kashmiri stitch. All the silks and tussars are Silk Mark certified. And the price is 8,500. For booking, you can call or WhatsApp 9330866384. We deliver pan India through courier. You have to pay through Google Pay or internet banking. COD facility is available only within Calcutta. It was the last sari of today's episode. I think you will like it. If you like the program, please share with your friends, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of my next episode. I am available in Facebook and Insta both.